Denim and jute combination craft is always amazing and different and unique. So, hello my creative friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets sustainability nude. We are turning old denim jeans and simple jute rope into beautiful home decoration craft. If you got some torn jeans, denim scrap or leftover jute lying around, don't throw them away. Stay with me till the end because I will share amazing ideas you can easily try at home and budget friendly, eco friendly, and totally stylish. Denim is one of the strongest fabric we all have in our closet. Even old jeans that can be worn anymore can become something completely new, from wall hanging to coaster or strong basket and jute rope. It's bring the rustic, natural, and warm homemade feeling it to any space. When we combine denim and jute, we get a perfect blend of modern and earthy aesthetic. The craft is not just about decorating, it's about mindfulness. It reminds us to reuse, recycle, and reconnect with our creative side instead of buying new things. Before we start, gather this simple material: old denim jeans or denim fabric piece, jute rope or twins, scissor and glue gun, cardboard or old container bases, some beads, button or lace for decoration. That's it. So let's start with something beautiful: recycled walls and wall hanging. Amazing walls. Take an old denim jeans, cut it back pocket, and place on clean and finished cardboard or wooden material. Add some glue gun and paste it neatly. Let's create a beautiful storage basket. Take a cardboard box or plastic ball, cover it completely with denim strips, glue them neatly. Now wrap jute rope around the top rim, giving it a natural touch. You can even braid the jute rope and glue it like a handle. Perfect for keeping your stationery, your vase, your flowers, artificial flowers, makeups, brushes, or remote control, etc. A stylish piece that keeps your space organized and artistic. For the next craft, let's decorate your wall. Cut small circle or heart from denim fabric. You can use behind pockets. Use jute rope as a baseline and hang them denim shapes using glue or thread. Add small wooden beads or shell from beauty hacks. It's a funny and family craft, especially for kids. Every piece you hang can carry a memory. Maybe labels them with names or wishes. It's not just decoration, it's a story. Every craft, as you know, behind a beautiful and amazing story. You can easily make Christmas tree and wall hanging Christmas art, as I'm showing in your screen. Make a beautiful flower, just top some glue gun and paste a beads, buttons, all recycled item you can easily use. You can easily make an amazing and beautiful wreath covered by green ornaments, and make us some flowers for leftover denims, and place perfectly with glue gun. everybody, if you are new on our channel, so please must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. If you like our craft,